My goal for the course is to build up confidence. We're going to tell stories together. We're going to discuss big ideas in workplaces and business together. And I want to hear from my students. I want to hear their ideas. I want them to feel confident about using their English. I want to teach them practical ways to do things and have conversations they need to have at their job. When I was designing the course, I designed the kind of course that I would want to take. There's no tests, no grammar explanations, no grades. I've seen a lot of students who studied English for years and years, and they are still afraid to use it in a conversation or afraid to make a mistake in front of their boss or at a meeting. Our strategy in the course is based on real research. So the story-based method that we use works. It's the best way of learning effective English. And it's also a really excellent way of gaining confidence and fluency.